Hi everybody, today we're going to have a look at this Toolcart board. We're going to build it up and have a look at it and see what you think. Well, like you can see, it's made by SGS and there's a Toolcart, so we'll get it unboxed. Here we go. Oh. There we go. Just show you how it's been packaged. There we go, quite well packaged that is. Now I'll just tip it up. There we go. Just get rid of some of this packaging. Just turn it over. Some weight in this. There we go. There we go, take that off. Oh, it's even got packaging in this as well. Have we got this in? There we go. Just about fits in, that did. Keys. Just get rid of some of this polystyrene Harvey bits. Didn't fit very good. There we go. Right. Got some weight in this has. We'll have a look in the instructions in a minute. There we go. Just tip it up. Hang on, better take these mats off. Right, let's have a look at these boxes. Oh, well, we'll just undo these. These are the legs to it. Let's get the scissors on that. Okay, mate, it's pretty well packaged, this is. Whoops. There we go. Let's have a look inside these boxes. There's the handle to it. There we go, one handle. I'll take it, these are the wheels for it. I'm hoping the bolts. They're the wheels. and get them out. And then you've got two wheels what swivel around, and you've got a brake on them, and the other two are fixed. And we've got some bolts as well, packet bolts. Right, let's have a look at the instructions. Right, I think what I'm going to do, because it's quite heavy this is, I think we'll put the legs on here first. It does show you, if you have a look at the instructions, if you can see them. It shows you putting the wheels on, then putting the leg bits on. But I think it's going to be too heavy for me to lift this and put the bolts in at the same time. So we'll do it the other way around. Right, let me tell you what bolts to use. Alright, I'll just go and get some spanners and and a screwdriver, because I think they're screwdriver slots, they are. Right, we'll just put these legs on. Let's get the screws out. There we go. We won't tighten it fully up. We'll just nip them up a little bit, so we'll tighten them up after. Right, let's have a look. What else? Let's put these wheels on. Just shift that out the road so you can see what else we're doing. I'll just put the wheels on this. Get some bolts. Let's get you guys up so you can see what I'm doing. Which way do I want it? Right, let's flip it over. Well, there's definitely a bit of weight in this. There we go. Well, we'll go around now, tighten these bottom bolts up. Nice and tight. Well, up to yet, I'm very impressed with the quality. Let's get the handle. Well, I've got no more bolts left over, so let's tighten these up. Oh, I'll just take the handle back off. There you go, it's built up now. I'm very happy with that. It's in good order. It's come. I can't find any damage on it. There's the back of it. It's on wheels. You can push it wherever you want it. It locks as well. So when it's locked, it locks the top and these bottom drawers as well. It locks the top up. Right, we'll lock it. Slide the drawers open at the top. I don't know why that's not working again. There we go. The drawers open up. It's not bad. It's just under 100 quid on eBay where I bought it from, so that's the company. Oh, very happy with that. Well, it's all locked up. The door's open. Perfect. Yep, very happy with that. Well, I'll show you with my tools in a few more days, hopefully. I have bought a sandblasting cabinet off the same company. So I'm waiting for that to turn up because I only bought that yesterday. So when that does, but it's a damaged one. It wants a few little jobs doing on it. It's got a couple of dents and the glass has been broken, so I'm going to get a piece of glass made for it, cut. I'm going to put it in. But that's my tool cabinet on wheels. Absolutely brilliant. You've got these top bits where you can put tools on, or your laptop or whatever, or your Careen's manual. It's very sturdy. Very pleased with it. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.